I'm exhausted, guys. Eric needs to throw up. You didn't lie to me that I need to pay more. So Leute, neue SD-Karte mit 4K gekauft. Lass sehen, ob es funktioniert jetzt. Gracias, amor. Ciao, buen día. Gracias, ciao. We will join here right now La Fortuna a little bit, look at the nice volcano. We will go close to this point because we will go to the Catarata today, like a waterfall. So yay! Nice fotografía. So guys, we are on our way to the Catarata in La Fortuna. I never was there. I go today with Eric. He will show me that waterfall, so let's figure out how that works. We need to walk like, he said 1.5 hours, but I don't think so at all, so let's figure out. But we are prepared, or I'm prepared, like here too. We have today shoes, like that works too. So that's the volcano there, we are pretty close. And how it called this mountain there though?
Cerro Chato.
Cerro Chato. And Cerro Chato means like, it means like a laying man? No. No. What? What it means?
Chato means then have like no nose.
No nose, okay.
Like a flat face.
Flat face. So, but that's a story behind this mountain there. So yeah, let's figure out. I'm done right now. We walk like 200 meters.
No, like 100.
100. Well, I think it was 2. You can buy some hammocks if you want to. Neptunos, Pumas. Casa de Hamacas. So guys, I'm kind of hyped. Like you saw a lot of waterfall stories and a lot of waterfall videos the last time, but it's pretty nice, the nature here in Costa Rica, so that's why you see that much nature. Let's figure out how long we really need to walk right now, and I will see you there. Everything here in La Fortuna is super close, you know what I mean? Like you have a center and it's close to anything else. Like the volcano, you go like, I don't know, with the car like 10-15 minutes to the hot springs, to the volcano, to the waterfall, to El Salto and stuff like this. So that's pretty nice because it's like you don't need that much time, you know what I mean? And you can enjoy the nature and the activities and stuff like this. So, and I'm exhausted. It's funny for me that you are also not in the best shape to go that fucking hill here up. Okay. It's funny though, like for real guys, I'm sweating. I ask myself if I need like a, you know, like a vest, like a jacket, and I took like stuff with me, you know, but I think I don't need it, so it's too hot. But let's see, maybe I let's leave it here in the nature for the way back. And if I sound like exhausted, I'm exhausted, guys. But look how nice it looks. Like there are the clouds. Like you can't see the volcano that well because the clouds are too low. But yeah, here are like vacas, like cows. It's pretty nice. So, and look, there's the first sign. Yay! That we are on the way to the Catarata. 700 meters. Fuck that shit. 700 meters. Yeah, it is. It's like 600 meters more though. So guys, easy hop. Easy hop is like move around safely at the best price. You can scan like the sign and then you find like a shuttle what brings you to the mountain, like to the Catarata or wherever you want here in La Fortuna. And yeah, So like the price, like we are not in the center of La Fortuna, but if you go from the center to this place here, it's like how much kilometers is it? Like 3. Yeah, let's say 5 kilometers, and you pay 2,500 coloni with a taxi. I'm sweaty at all. I took already my vest off, my jacket, because it's way too hot, and I think I take off my shirt too. Eso es. It's like a restaurant. ¿Cómo ves? Pura vida. Shit, I'm smoking. Gecko's Grill. Amazing view, vegetarian specialties, fish tacos. What? Pura vida. Oh, there's the first rest place. There's the first rest place. And like for me it's more harder, you know, I'm talking the whole time. Yesterday I saw the first slot, like the first wheel one in the nature in my life. Like it was. Eric needs to throw up. Oh, that's deep.
It's deep as fuck.
Like guys, that's like how many meters? Like 100, 200? Oh shit. Like one step drunken in the night though, you're done. Here in this place we can see the first time the water. I don't know if you can see that.
You see that zip
Yeah.
line there?
Where? Yeah. Ah, here you can zip line too. Like there's a zip line. I think you can't see it on the camera, but there's a zip line too. So, oh, we will see it down. I think when we are down. I like there are two. Like there, are one more. We are highest point, and now we need to go for a stay. What is there? Ah, that's the way to the mountain.
Keep going farther up. Super nice.
Tomorrow. No.
Way better. I just needed to warm up.
Nice, yeah, it's the whole tourism station. Yes. And look, this ones, I think these are the shutters from the signs there, from the where you can air code that shit. Where we need to go. Oh, we need to pass that. Okay, now, like you need to pay here to go into the catarata and to the waterfall. So let's figure out how much is it and what else we need to do. Entradas, tickets, abiertos, entradas, 17.
Dos. Uno, sí.
It's really like this, huh?
What?
You didn't lie to me that I need to pay more. Yes. Thanks, bro. Like they will ask you. They will ask you if you are a Tico or no, and you pay more if you are not a Tico. Yeah, because you are not a Tico.
Era la muchacha que me había dicho que tenía un hermano que trabaja. Ah, no, mentira, ya sé. Trabajaba en San Marino, no, ¿verdad? No.
No drones allowed, but you know, we have no drone. So let's check out how much we paid. It's like in total 14.9 entrada nacional. That's Eric. It's $7. And entrada extranjero. It's like fucking $16. Like for real, we pay like 100% more. Like just a double one. But yeah, I think that's okay because like the Ticos bring the tourism and it's good for Ticos too, so appreciate it guys. Let's see how it looks inside. We get some tickets right now. And then let's see. Me too?
Especially you.
Suckers. Más 350. Cada pa? Por bien. So they have our datas. We can go to the waterfall. Look how that moves. Lots of water. That's like I think 10-20 minutes. Yes, do introduce that. Waterfall, catarata, viewing point, mirador. So, first step is we eat something.
You hungry?
No, not yet. On the way back, sure, but not yet. No, just kidding. Souvenirs, food, all here guys. Oh, like you can eat here, you have your Rio lounge. That's a pretty good one. I like that. And here are a lot of people right now. So especially La Fortuna right now, it's full of people. Like it's crazy.
This is the second place and it's more visit in Costa Rica.
What's the first one?
Manuel Antonio.
Manuel Antonio. I never was there.
We should.
Yes. Sure. If you say hello to the camera, and you need to subscribe TravelaGang on YouTube.
Oh, YouTube.
Yes. Yeah.
Get the waterfall and then
Let's do. You're welcome. I did like 10.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So guys, we did it. That's the waterfall. We need to go down there. You wanna go down? Yeah.
Before it. Okay, because you need to go down.
Yeah, we just go down now to visit that. I'm up to for real. I'm really motivated to go there. No, like for real. Would be nice. Let's figure out. It's like I don't even know where is that. Here's also a line.
Yeah. But I don't know because if you see there's one
Uh-huh.
there.
Uh-huh.
You see the stage
Uh-huh.
there,
Uh-huh.
so you come all the way.
From the other side, like from there. But let's look and press here right now too though.
And there's one other going like that way.
Hmm.
See, but it looks rusty.
Hmm. The orange one, yeah.
Yeah, that's one. I think it comes all the way up.
I was sure that it'll be easier to clear you from my mind.